As I stand and look out of my window, I note there's one thing on my mind. It's not the news or the weather, it's nature, the nurturing kind.
The earth stopped still for a little while. I need to rest and wonder. While the world did take its little rest, it made us all stop to ponder.
We stand in awe and watch as plants come back from their winter sleep. We stand and watch all creatures strut their stuff. And then we bow in awe of nature and the world we love.
The sky is blue and cloudless. I'm watching the birds with my eyes. They fly over trees and round rooftops. The robin, he sings as he flies.
I wander onto my driveway. A dandelion, it's beautiful yellow. It's strong, a determined little thing.
Goldfinches sway in a sweet summer breeze. A day in my garden is all that I need.
Birds singing in the trees on a country lane. Sounds to be treasured till traffic starts building again.
A gentle breeze across my face, a deep breath in of air, as I sit and ponder at the natural beauty everywhere.
Under the woodland canopy, peace found, safely cocooned in nature's sweet sound.
Loveliest of trees, the cherry now, is hung with bloom along the bough, and stands along the woodland ride, wearing white for Eastertide.
The clouds go by as we watch the birds fly. The swallows dip and dive to show their home.
The colour of the evening sky, a help to keep your feelings high.
The rain, it does not put nature off. It drinks, revives, soldiers on. So we can all with our senses, that nature is nurturing on.